Okay, this is my corn mash. You can see all the corn down below, and you can kind of see how clear it is. It's not very clear, but I mean it's clearer than it was when I first started this process. You can tell up here by the airlock there isn't anything escaping. There's no bubbles going on, so the ferment's dead. It's got that yellowish green Mountain Dew. It's got that Mountain Dew glow, that Mountain Dew color to it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making camp fuel, and I'm using an 8-gallon Essential Extractor Pro Series. It's for making essential oils. Also note that this is not a legal process without a fuel permit, which I have here. So please have a fuel permit if you're going to do this. I'm going to explain the process to you. I put the corn mash into the 8-gallon boiler. I've got a rubber gasket around this tri-clamp, and I got a column here. I've got this column packed full of copper scrubbers, and here I have a thermometer. It gives me the gauges. I also have a thermometer here. It's kind of giving me the temperature of the top of the kettle. It's my condenser. So basically what happens as this boils and the steam rises through this copper, the steam will come down through this little piece here. This is just a sleeve. This little tube here goes all the way through that sleeve and comes back out to here. So what I have here, I have rigged up here, I've got a cooling water tank just outside the door. Brings cool water in, cool water pumps up, and it comes back out. And as it does that, this vapor that comes up gets cooled by this water, and it converts back into a liquid and makes camp fuel. Okay, I poured a little bit of that on the ground here and let it, as you see it burn. It burns blue. Blue is fuel. That's in a future episode I'm going to demonstrate on how to build a homemade alcohol fuel stove. So stay tuned for that.